Welcome back to hyderabadwala.com. This is Yasmeen and I'm back with yet another recipe that is almond or badam halwa. Soak 250 grams almonds overnight. Next morning, peel the skin. If you couldn't soak overnight, you can even boil them to facilitate the peeling. Now grind the peeled almonds coarsely. Add 1 cup milk, 200 grams Khowa or Mawa. Mix well and keep aside. Add half a standard cup clarified butter or pure ghee to a pan. Or you can add this clarified butter or ghee gradually during the cooking process. Add the almond paste and stir fry for 2 minutes. Add Khowa and milk mixture. Add few saffron sticks. 2 teaspoons cardamom or Elaichi powder. Add 250 grams sugar. Mix well and stir continuously. Put the lid at the distance to prevent spluttering. Stir fry till the paste attains a thick consistency. Dish out, garnish with clarified butter or pure ghee and sliced almonds, cashews and pistachios. Store the remaining in an airtight container, refrigerate and use within a week. Try this delicious badam halwa at your home and do not forget to share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.